What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a bit.
What's up, beautiful, wonderful, peace-loving people? It's me, your one and only King kcjoe. Today I'm going to show you how to save videos to watch later on YouTube. Let's jump into YouTube. Okay, I'll be quick. I don't take much of your time. Now, I'm interested in watching this video. Like, I want to watch this video, but maybe I'm low in data or I need to go somewhere right now and come back later. Yeah, so many people watch videos and when they come back later search for it, they won't find it. That's very painful. So all you need to do here is save it to watch later. You're gonna click this three dots right here and this pops up. Woo. And this says not interested, don't recommend channel, save to watch later, save to playlist, download, share, reports, and you're gonna click save to watch later because that's why we are here. Okay, now we've saved this video to save to watch later. As you can see, added to watch later, see list. Okay, now I'm going to show you where to find this video. Okay, go to library and this pops up. As you can see, history, downloads, your videos, watch later. So when you click that watch later, this is the video we saved for watch later, as you can see. And we are back and we are playing it without searching the whole world for it, you know. So that's it, guys. That's how to save videos to watch later.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.